Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So we have another wig from SHEIN. I also want to mention that SHEIN is having a huge March sale. All you have to do is search wig 11 in SHEIN search box and you will get buy one get one free. Also, the styles include short styles under $25 and glueless wigs for $60. Also, don't forget that you can use the code WIGS24 at checkout for extra gifts as well. Okay y'all, so let's get into this unboxing. So this is SHEIN's 26-inch 180% 13x4 lace frontal kinky curly wig. This wig comes with an installed adjustable strap. It as well has some combs on the inside, as you guys can see, for extra support and security. And this is how the lace comes straight out of the box. I also want to mention, you guys, I did not pluck this wig. Like, this is literally how it came out of the box. Like, I did not pluck it or nothing. And look at these curls, you guys. Their curls were so pretty. Well, I did bleach the knots in this wig. I don't know if I mentioned that, but after bleaching the knots, I just let it air dry and I just added some makeup on my lace. So now I'm just going to start installing this wig. You guys already know how I do. Of course, I just measure the wig and just see where I like it on my head, measuring out my ears. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut off all this extra lace. I just want to say, you guys, after installing this wig, this lace was actually really good. Like, it blended into my skin real seamlessly. And that is one of the things that I loved about this wig. And of course, I love the curls in here. Obviously, I just love me curly hair. This is really big curly hair, so this is their kinky curly hair. So if you guys are into like big hair, this is definitely the wig for you, most definitely. I did go ahead and just use my Ebin spray. This is just a personal preference. You guys can use whatever adhesive you like to use, but I've been loving this Ebin spray in the black can. It's just been my go-to. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my hot comb. So what I'm basically doing is like using the heat from my hot comb to help dry the lace that I sprayed, because it's like the same as using a blow dryer, so I guess you can say it's basically the same thing. But I'm just going to use my hot comb over the places that I placed the adhesive spray. And this is just going to help it dry a little quicker. And the heat is going to make it, you know, real tacky and real glued to my skin. So after doing that, I'm now going to cut off my lace with my razor. I love using a razor. It just gives me a more jagged edge look, and it just makes the lace look way more natural. And then I'm going to pull out the sideburns to help stick the sides of my wig, because the sides of my wig never want to stick. I don't know what that's about, but I learned that when I take like a little bit of sideburns out, it kind of helps it stay in place a little better. So now we're going to get into this part. So I went ahead and went for a side part, which is surprising because y'all know me, I'm really a middle part girly, but you know, I wanted to do something a little different, so I'm like, why not do a side part? So I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot comb, my SHEIN Bomb wax stick. Now because this is a curly wig, I don't want my roots to be too straightened. I kind of like the more natural look when the roots are still kind of like curly. So I'm just using this to kind of help me define where I want my part. So I'm not trying to add too much wax stick, but just get it to where it's like I can see where I want my part to be. So after fixing up my part, I'm now just going to add some water, and I'm just going to use my Can 2 moisturizing cream. I didn't show it, but it's the one in the orange bottle. and that is one of my favorite curling products to use on my curly units. I just feel like it helps my curls just pop way more. And y'all know this is my favorite part of my curly wig installs, especially because I just love seeing the curls just come back to life, and it just brings the look just together completely. But at this point, y'all, this is basically the end of the install. Just adding some water and some curl enhancing products, and like I said, y'all, this wig is so beautiful, perfect for the summertime, and is definitely a need. So you guys are going to want to make sure you check my description box down below. I will have all the information so you don't miss any of the links or anything like that, because you guys are definitely going to need this wig. So do not forget to check my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Now I need to find release. Set me to the